Welcome to ProfitGuru, your channel for everything Amazon FBA related. I'm Cassandra, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, you really should be so that you never miss any of our content. Plus, only about 30% of my viewers actually subscribe to the channel, so it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe and turn on those notifications. All right, let's jump right into it. Let's discuss why you need to get rid of tactical arbitrage and SellerAmp. Yes, you do need tools to help you to find products, conduct product research, conduct data analysis, and look at the back history of these products. But no, you don't need to have every subscription under the sun, because in the end, they're going to eat your profits. And am I guilty of using these two different software? Yeah, I've used them. I don't use SellerAmp anymore. Sometimes I dabble with tactical arbitrage if I'm struggling to find products that day, but you don't need them. So if you're interested in getting rid of all of these different software subscriptions, then keep watching. I'm going to show you how you can condense all of the research and tools that you need into one software. Now, SellerAmp is mostly known for their Google Chrome extension, but I have one for you that does a lot more and shows you even more data. With this Chrome extension, you're going to be able to see all of the important product info: the BSR, the selling eligibility, estimated sales, and the ever needed profit calculator, where you can even input your desired ROI. Next, down here, a super important area is the sellers. You want to see who your competition is on these listings. But what we have here that you will not find with SellerAmp is that we even have access to the keywords that are driving people to these listings. And this is super important, especially if you're setting up your own listings. Maybe you have your own products you're bringing to the market, or maybe you're making bundles. You're going to need to know which keywords are driving the traffic to the listings. And you're going to be able to see that right here on the extension. Plus, we also have access to the brand itself, which this is really huge. We can click in and we can see all of the products that this brand is selling. We even have access to see the other sellers that are selling the brand and get contact info for the brand. Now, the reason why you want to know which other sellers are selling the brand is because you want to work smarter, not harder. Once you have access to those brands' products, you don't know what to buy, which ones are actually profitable, which ones are selling well, which ones are making money. Well, yes, you do have that intel information, because now all you need to do is click into these sellers who are selling these products already and see what they're selling. Because chances are sellers are selling products that are making them profit. They've already done the research and they've already found the profitable products within that brand to sell. So this is going to be super helpful for you for sourcing products, and it's going to lead you to endless leads. Speaking about endless leads, the other thing that SellerAmp is known for is the capability of storefront stalking. With this sourcing method, you are going to find sellers who are selling products that you also can get your hands on, and you're going to look through all of their inventory, figure out what they're selling, and then get your hands on it yourself and start selling it. Similar to the stalking that I just explained with the brands. Rather than start from scratch and figure out what to sell, look into these sellers' storefronts, and they're going to show you exactly what they're selling and what's selling well. To do this, I like to think of a product, grab a listing that is something that I know I can get my hands on. What I'm doing is using this listing to now go to my Chrome extension and see the sellers. Now, all that I have to do is click on this little eye that's beside the seller's name, and it is going to open up all of their storefronts, every single product that they are selling. This is going to provide us with lead after lead. I can look at all of the data right here on each product, see the competition, click right here and go into the Amazon listing itself, which doing this is now, boom, showing us even more sellers that we can storefront stock and open up their products. This is seriously your endless supply of rabbit trails and leads. Now, the only one-up that I would say SellerAmp has on ProfitGuru is they do have a phone app that you can take with you and scan in the stores. Well, guess what? We know that, we have that on our minds, and we are very interested in building that ourselves. So right now, we have everything that you need to do online arbitrage. Next, we're going to be thinking about those of you who do retail arbitrage so that you can bring ProfitGuru with you into the stores. We've got you covered. Just give us a little time to set it all up. Now let's talk about tactical arbitrage. This subscription is going up month after month. It is getting so expensive. What this software does for you is you can input a store that they have the capability to source, and it is going to source through that online store and try to find the products that match Amazon listings that are profitable. The problem with this is it is less than perfect. So many times it provides you with mismatches. So this makes you have to go through endless amount of leads that aren't actually leads. For example, a lot of the times it will find a product on an online store and find an Amazon listing, but that Amazon listing is for a multi-pack. So it might think it's profitable, but in reality, you need to buy 3 of them, and it's inputting the numbers thinking you only have to buy 1 of them. And this happens a lot. There are a lot of mismatches which end up wasting a ton of your time. In the beginning, I used tactical arbitrage a lot because I didn't know other ways to source and find products. So it did make it easy for me at first to find products to sell, especially for that first shipment that I sent in. But I will tell you that it took hours upon hours of scanning stores and finding ones that are actually good leads. It really is like finding a needle in a haystack when you're sourcing with tactical arbitrage. Instead, what you can do is grab all of the stores that are offered in their sourcing. This way, I don't run out of ideas of places to look for good products. If I'm not sure where to look, I pull up this huge list of all of the different stores I can be sourcing for products at. Now, when I go to these web pages, I'm going to be searching for the deals and looking at specific brands that I know I have access to sell. Let's take, for example, Bob's Red Mill. I'm going to search that brand name on this website and see what products they have and what the prices are. Now, I'm going to easily just enter that brand name into ProfitGuru and see exactly which products are selling best. Then I know exactly which products from this brand that I need to purchase. This actually saves me a ton of time rather than having to sift through leads that are not good with tactical arbitrage. And it is so easy to do. I use their big list of different stores to generate ideas of where to source, then look for those brands that I know I'm ungated in, see what the store has that day for deals, and then enter that brand name into ProfitGuru. It shows me exactly which of those products to buy. And it's even going to show me if that price is profitable or not. I'm going to know exactly at which price point I have to buy this product for in order to make money. Plus, I can also use this little Google button right here, and it is going to try to find that product for me across all of the internet so I can find the very best deal. Now, something else that you should do is download extensions that are going to save you money, such as Honey and Rakuten. This way, you're getting the most cash back that you can, because something might not be profitable, but if you're getting cash back on that product, that might turn it into profit. So there you have it. Short, sweet, but super easy. You can throw away SellerAmp, you can throw away tactical arbitrage, you can have just one tool that you need to do all of your research and finding your products. You don't even need Keepa, because with ProfitGuru, you're going to have access to those Keepa charts right here in the software, thus saving you even more money. You're going to be able to see all of the historical data and see the number of sellers to actually tell you if this product is something worth pursuing. if the steady price is staying across time, or maybe the buy box is just peaked at the moment. We are completely vested in this software, using it for ourselves and building it the way that you guys also need it. So if you ever have any ideas for us about what you want to see next, we definitely would love to hear those. You can always drop them in the comments of the videos, or you can email me. All of my information is found in every single description of my videos. Plus, if you also like to record videos like we do, and you're helping people learn how to use the software and how to maneuver through Amazon selling, we also have a really amazing affiliate program. And with this, you actually get a completely free version of ProfitGuru to use. Plus 42% lifetime commissions on any sales that you get. So it definitely is a win-win, and it will give you a ton of topic content ideas to make on your own channels. So if you're interested in becoming a ProfitGuru affiliate, you can also find that link down below. And of course, if you want to do any further collaborating together, make sure that you email me so that we can set that up. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope it was valuable for you, and it is going to save you money. Also, I do have a code you can use for ProfitGuru to get the first month 50% off. Just use the code FREECOURSE50 when you're purchasing it. So go ahead, cancel that SellerAmp, cancel that tactical arbitrage, put more money back into your pocket for sourcing, and I'll catch you next week.